We're out here in the late fall, obviously, but it's good weather. I want to talk to you about little ramps. Actually, we had one that was almost 3 times this long, but I've sent that to somebody else that needs it, so I don't have that one anymore. But this ramp would go up a step and a half or so, and Christy could run the electric wheelchair up it. The wheelchairs are very heavy, so you got to get a sturdy ramp. I can't remember what this one costs. It's like 120 bucks or something, but it folds up and you can put it in the back of the car. And we took Christy a number of places, people's houses generally, my daughter's house for example, where the ramp allowed her to get into the house and be part of the family, be part of the group. So it's important, if you can get one, to use it and allow the individual to have as much interaction with as many groups of people as possible. So the ramps, they're pretty good. You get them off the internet, and they need to be heavy duty, but it's aluminum and it's not too heavy, so you can move it around. That's ramps.